You know when you've been making a load of scribbles on a Word document or a PowerPoint? Well, now you can make sense of all your notes and annotations with Ink Replay. This clever piece of software is included with all Office 365 subscriptions, and it's a great way to bring clarity to your notes on documents. You'll discover how easy it is to replay ink strokes as they were drawn, and the animation replay feature allows you to fast forward or rewind as you go. Ink Replay is available in Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Just go to the Draw tab, select Ink Replay and go. It's like an interactive flip chart that you can carry around on your devices. There are dozens of useful hidden features in Office 365 that your IT support company should be telling you about. Contact us today. We've got plenty of ideas to make your business more efficient.